When I was 12, I always wanted to start a YouTube channel, not because I thought I'd become famous, but because creating videos genuinely looked fun. But every single time I tried to start, I stopped myself. I kept thinking, what if the videos were bad? What if nobody watched? So instead of starting, I just kept waiting for the perfect time. But honestly, that time never comes. And then one day, I realized something. Nobody starts perfectly. Every successful creator right now was once uploading their first video too. 0 experience, 0 subscribers. So I decided to stop waiting, stop overthinking, and just start. This channel is basically my journey from 0, improving myself, learning new things, making better videos, and becoming better every day. So yeah, this is my first real video, and if you're watching this right now, I am really thankful. Let's see where this journey goes.